What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back. If you're new, welcome aboard. As always, we are live on Twitch. What's up, Twitch? And now is the moment of truth. We have another hard drive that just cracked. Let's see what it is. There's our pure Caterium again. Insulated crystal oscillator. Ooh. I don't know how I feel about that. What does it take to make this? All right, copper and Caterium still. Still need your copper. It's a lot less quartz, but it does add rubber. I don't know about that, dude. Yo, isn't cheap silica like really good? I thought it was. Maybe if just for the production, right? Nope, production rate is definitely less, which is weird because you're still using you're still using 3 crystal. Dude, wait, that makes no sense. Why would you add 5 limestone to decrease the production rate? That doesn't make any sense to me. All right, we're gonna go pure Caterium. Love it. We kind of want all the pures eventually. And yeah, dude, so the plan for today is I want to start making some utility blueprints, call it. Some utility blueprints. And what that means is I want something so versatile that we can use it everywhere. Everywhere. Well, not, let me rephrase. We can use it in any factory that we need that specific kind of like machine. And you'll see what I mean when we start going. So we already loaded up a bunch of miscellaneous stuff up in the blueprint creator. You know what, let's take all of you, man. Why not? I'll tell you why not, because I don't think we got any I don't think we got any copper. That might be a problem. All right, I know we have a bunch of wire up there, but let's just take copper just in case. You never know. You never know, dude. And then, so this is my plan, all right? Because I want to try and save time when we're actually building factories. And a couple ways that I want to do that is to pre-set up like belts and pre-hook up power. All right, so I'm thinking, I guess depending on the kind of manufacturer, right? Yo, we need to set this up. I forgot about that. All right, but like, so for a constructor, right? We're gonna make a grouping of like, 4 probably. 2 or 4. And it's gonna be in a way that we can expand the factory if we want to. But also, you know, it's so versatile we can use it whenever we need constructors. The only downside that I can see though, and let's see here, we're gonna start by making a little platform. The only downside, hold on, let's zoop you, but let's also make it 4. That's just going to be our ladder type system, right? All right, so the only downside is going to be we have to like have it in the air if we're gonna pre-make the logistics. And I think that is the best way to do it. So like if we do something like this, it's probably even too many, but good enough, man. Let's go ahead. Oh, and I just remembered too, we have the jetpack, which is kind of sick. So we don't need to leave a ladder or anything like that. All right, so let's start with the constructor. I love that it just turned dark right as we started. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. All right, so we need space for it to go down. And we also want to run a conveyor belt network in between them. All right, so they can kind of join next to each other. All we got to do is like connect the cells as they go. That kind of thing. It'll be sick. It'll be sick. Trust me. I've been thinking about this. All right, so where do we want this one to go? I guess what we could do, let's start actually with the splitter. And let's make sure, one, it's faced the right way. How's it going? What up, Henry George? It's going, man. It's going. Good plan. Thank you, dude. I'm actually really hyped for this. Henry, we are doing blueprints. And I think everyone's about to be so proud, bro. Everyone's about to be so proud. Did you sort out your PC? I friggin' hope so, dude. I friggin' hope so. I'll show you. This is what I'm running right now. Apparently, the AMD actually does work pretty nice on this Intel GPU. So that's what I'm rocking with right now. Well, so far so good. But I was also running the tests not live. So we'll see how that works. We don't need a miner or an assembler, not right now. We would like one of these. What up, Battery Butterfly? Welcome to the stream. But yeah, so the idea here is to build a blueprint that we can essentially automate. You know what? For these at least, I think we're gonna want like 2 and 2. Why not, right? I think a cluster of 4 is not that big of a deal. Yeah, let's go with that, man. So now we know kind of where they're gonna go. I'm dumb. We still should do the splitter. All right. But yeah, so the idea is we can hook up the logistics floor as well as the power going to these, and it should save us a lot of time, dude. That's what I'm hoping anyway. We'll do something like that. Make sure you're set. Yep. And then obviously we can hook you up. The only problem is gonna be when we get better belts, but then we can just kind of like load in the blueprint and then just change it a little bit, right? Hey, you started early. Yeah, I did. What up, Mel? Gotta keep you on your toes. Gotta keep you on your toes. But what up, Mel? Welcome back. Good to see you. But yes, we did start early. I was here 1 minute before 5. Were you really? Oh, you meant 6, didn't you? Or 5 your time? I was about to say, dang, you were early then. Nah. You're gonna be here for the whole stream today? Ooh, just got bamboozled. Sorry, I did not mean to... I did not mean to ruin your plan. Okay. So... God, it's gonna be sick. 5-year time. Got you. I'm so hyped, man. Because then we can also, like, put a power pole... like here. All right, we got quick wire in the chest. Oh, way too fast, man. Robotic legs. What are you gonna do? Here, let's trade. So worth it. Just because why not, man? All right, and then we are going to... What do you mean invalid location? Dude, I dispute this. Hello? I don't like that, dude. I mean, we can just put it there. It's not that big of a deal. We could also do it... Oh, yeah. Hold on. We'll do it on the outside. So then we can just, like, stand back and then hit them all. Yeah. All right, so now... we're also going to make a logistics floor pre-made for them. And then my thought is, if we... Do you have painted beams? I do. Should we... You know, that's a good question. Should we make these, like, look cool? Because I kind of figured we would just go straight utility. But, I mean, we might as well run, like... Might as well run some beams. Some painted beams and stuff. Because I surely do have painted beams. Okay, man. Let's think about how we want to do this. I think we want to bring it underneath almost exactly how it is up top. That's what I think. Run a beam above them and use power nodes. Yo! Wait. I love that. I love that. I forgot. I saw... It was a team effort. We all saw a bunch of those during the community showcase, right? I like that. I like that. All right, so we'll do the same, I guess, technique as when we were doing the bridge. Right? Let's go to architecture. Ooh, look at all these new roof pieces and stuff. How about that? Because I don't want them just hanging out there. Alright, that car kind of scared me, dude. Definitely scared me. I want to do something like this. I forgot how much I liked the painted beam up top. Alright. Make sure it's not all the way down. Oh man, gonna need a beam connector. Oh, it's too far? Disappointed. Definitely disappointed in that one. Got another MAM research. We'll go take a look at that real quick in a hot second once we waste some more gas real quick. There we go. Bring this on over. I think we do want to bring it in one. So like right there, I think. Yeah. Then you got to hit the little beam connector. Ooh. All right. Oh, you know what? And then we're going to throw another beam connector in the middle. Like right there. And then we can throw this guy on it. Oh, I guess not. They don't like the beam connectors. You know what I say to that, dude? Well, I'm trying to say, gonna hit H and then just make it happen. Make it happen, Captain. Did not work. Dude, what? Come on now. I believe in you. Ah, I don't think it will. Alright, that's alright. Because we do want to... You know what, man? Let's do something like this. And we will make them... Let's make them Mark 1. Just to save... maybe not. When are we ever going to have copper on us, to be fair? Instead, we'll do something like this. Yeah. Okay, that was like right here and then one more in. Okay. Connect these. And then we kind of need to put one more power on the outside because that's what we're going to connect them all to. Yeah, like that. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, this is going to be sick. So now, can't afford it because I put all my cable in the chest. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. I think blueprints are a way that we can actually make our factories look cool. Like, what's the word? Consistently. Alright, so the plan here is, once we finish underneath, of course, we are going to be able to put down 4 constructors next to each other. And they'll all be kind of like networked in. It'll be kind of cool. Also, kind of a... Oh, yeah, no, it's not bad. If we just connect that one to the back wall outlet on the next one, we should be golden. Alright. So, like I said, we're going to bring them in and combine them kind of like how it's being split up top. Here, let's make a... If we put one on you and then stack one, is that the right height? Like, we do that. Then we merge. Okay, hold on. So if we are filling this way, do we want the products to go that way as well, or to come the opposite way? I think we want it to keep going. Also, that is not where that needs to go. That's unfortunate. All right, we'll do something like this. Just temporarily, so we can get a merger on it. Kind of like right in the middle. You do need to rotate though, my friend. My friend. Sir. Sir, you need to rotate. All right. Let's try this again. We're gonna grab one, and then in the middle, I guess, like right here. Let's double check. I bet if we go back to... Nah, just one. And then let's try and put a merger on it. I think that's the right spot. Looks right to me. There's a thing though, dude. We don't like that thing there. What's it called? The ceiling foundation or whatever. Okay, let's try and get it out by removing the actual floor. Ooh. Snipe. All right. And now you can run them in like this. Then honestly, kind of the same thing, right? If we do this, and we go back like one. So that's interesting. Maybe pull lifts to the ground. Like down one? Well, the idea is we can put this anywhere. So it's kind of intended to be floating almost. You know what I mean? Because like, for example, that the copper factory, right? We built that entirely with never touching the ground. So something like that, we couldn't really use this if we plan on it being on the ground, you know? I think this will work all right. Gotcha. Gotcha, dude. All right, because now, boom, there's your blueprint. And we just got to connect them, and then we come over here and we just connect these, and then we're done. And power, of course. But dude, I think that's it, man. Now, do we want to... Do we want to put some decorative beams across? I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe not on this one. All right, so let's save this. We will call it For Constructoronis. Let's go, dude. What up, Arcana? Welcome back. Constructors. Hooked up. Let's go. Select icon. You want to know which one I'm going to do? I'm going to do the constructor icon. Visionary, I know, dude. All right, let's get, I don't know, dark blue. Why not? Select color, save blueprint. Done deal. Excuse me. All right, so we're going to leave this for now because we're just going to remove the top and then just try and recreate it for like assemblers and things like that. But dude, let's see what kind of blueprint we got. Or not blueprint, alternate. Let's see, dude. Quick wire. I mean, okay. That's kind of interesting with some of the other alternates. Like if we plan on using rubber in something, you know what I mean? Plastic smart plating. don't really care all that much. The production is quite a bit better though. I already said no to this. All of these aren't that great, honestly. Maybe quick wire? It's interesting. It's kind of the same thing. Then we'd have to add plastic into the mix. Not cool. Not cool for that. Or back out and try again. Ooh, this is true. This is true. I think it's worth it. Hit escape, gives you it right back. Let's give it another shot. Good call, Mel. They are not very good, I would say. All right, but so now we have this guy. Our 4 constructoronis. Got to remember that name. So now let's go ahead and make... I love wasting gas, dude. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, cool. Thanks. You're like, speaking of back. Thank you, thank you. Now I'm not hunched like a hooligan. Let's go ahead and remove these. Oh, God. Let's get some stuff out of our inventory so we can actually take it. Because we don't really want to just clear it. Because I do enjoy... Freeze. Save. I don't trust it, man. Oh, maybe it is an autosave. Dude, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Roots. I just realized too, because Roots, you're the one that's always like, save. Like when something like that happens. Were you just trying to tell me that that's the autosave? Or were you telling me that like I should save my game? Because I just realized you could have definitely been like, that's the autosave. Like, I think that might have been what you were doing. Huh. Alright, let's do something like this. Grab these. Alright, now let's go ahead and try this again. Can we pick these? Can we pick these up, maybe? Why couldn't I pick them up before? Odd. Autosave? Got you. Whole time I'm like, yeah, that's a great idea. And then I just save. I'm like, save? That's genius. Oh, man. Hold on. I want to Control Z that. Man. Okay, now let's go on to assemblers. See, what do we got? They should be bigger, so we might want to do it a little bit different. This is a square, right? There's no real good way to set them up facing each other, or is there? It would have to be like here, or I guess we try and do like this. Nice. Nice, dude. I mean, alright, so this is like right in the middle of like this foundation, right? So it's still way too long, and that's pretty much how far we can take it. And we're gonna need some space anyway because we got 2 of them doing their thing. Alright. So in that case, we might want to do something like this. Where we just have like 2 long ways, maybe? Might be the best way to do it, really. That's gonna be the maximum nudge distance, if you were wondering. Alright, let's see what this is looking like. So not too bad. We'll make it a little bit longer. we're essentially just going to be making half of the one that we did before, and then we can just make 2 of them. All right, you are right in the middle. You are not. All right, so I think that is centered. Good enough. And then we will go ahead and do something similar over here. Is that right or no? Oh man, wait, how wide are they? Can we fit 3 of them? Because there is 4. Yo, let's try and fit 3 of them. Because then maybe we only do the one side. That's not bad. Alright, let's try and get it centered up here, though. That can't be centered. That's a little weird. Alright, but then if we put it right up against it. Nice, man. Just nudgeable. Are you right in there? Bro, that's perfect. Ooh. That's something. That's something, man. And then I think having 3 as like a baseline isn't that bad. Because we can always make it, you know, we can just remove a handful of them. If we only need 2. But when we need like 10 of them, we're gonna love this, you know? That's kind of the whole purpose. It's kind of the whole purpose. All right, so now the question has to be asked. Inputs, do we want them up top? I think we do. Because if we do these facing one another, or like back to back, you know what I mean? We have plenty of, well, almost too much, to be honest. Almost too much space, dude. Can you imagine? It's almost like we want them to be like right here. Because then we'll have half of this one where we can actually put splitters and stuff. Ooh. I don't know, that's kind of weird. That's a weird one. Because hear me out, right? I do one input on ground and the other input through lift. Oh no, I'm with you. That's what we're gonna do too. But then I'm trying to figure out a way that we can place this blueprint, turn around and place another one right here, and then have our material like just come down this way. You know what I mean? Because then we can extend it easily. Common mergers. As in one merger that would go into each of them. I mean, first off, Sir Days, what up? What up? Welcome back. That might be the best way to do it. You would have to make mirror image, right? Which is why I'm thinking if we push this up to the middle, we at least get halfway there. And Sir Days, were you saying, so do you mean like you don't put common mergers for all outputs, including the mirror image? Right. But then the mirror image, we just connect to it. That's the whole plan. But my problem is then if we make this mirror image, we're going to have like a massive space in between them. You know what I mean? So if we move it up, I guess it's not that big of a deal. Let's move it up. Wait, hold on. Let's move it up slightly. Something like so. I think that's the right place. Maybe. Or one more. Actually, not too sure. Oh no, it is this. It is that, right? I guess then we can just have them go back and forth. All right, it is what it is. I think what we lose in aesthetics, we're gonna make up for big time in speed and efficiency and shit. Nice. So something like that. And then we remove this guy. Oh, I took that with me. That's unfortunate, dude. Didn't you already do forges? Yes. I don't know if I saved it, honestly. No, I did. So yes, we do have forges already. We might adjust it slightly. They're the same size as these. Oh. No. We might want to orient it a little bit differently. Just because now my big thing is I don't want to have to like... I don't want to have to hook up machines anymore, dude. That's the big one. Here, let's do something like this. Power line. It's going to need to be a... Oh. What's going on, man? So you could place the forge blueprint. Oh. Smart, smart. I like that. No, that's a good point. We'll do forges like right after this. Yes. Nope, this is right, I think. I think this is it. I've done 6 assemblers in a 5x5 with inputs to the center. Ooh. I like it. I think these need to be slightly different. Do something like that. And then we're actually going to put this out like right here. Trust me. Trust me on that one. We're going to have a bunch of poles running down the side. Your design is more flexible. So that's like the goal, to make it as flexible as possible. Just so, those are loud, huh? So we can focus more on the actual design of the building itself. And then just kind of make, like pods of these, if you will. All right, let's take a look. So it's interesting, right? Oh, you know what? Hold on. Do we want it to one to come up? I kind of figured because they're assemblers, having both come down might be it's an idea, that's for sure. I think we're gonna want to like, I don't know, this is weird. This is weird now. Not a huge fan of what we got going on. I mean, this is what we'll do. This is what we'll do, man. We'll go like this. We'll just put 2 stories of splitters. Okay, so fair. And that's kind of what we've done. Ooh, 2 stories. Wait, that's a good point. That's what we did with need more utility height. I don't think so. Nah. It's what we did with like the smelters. Lifts for inputs coming down can face opposite direction. Saying like these? Or are you saying back this way? Because my thought here... Inputs. Oh, got you. If we make it all going this way, right? And then we have all of these going that way too. Oh, that's right. Oh, are you saying these going the other way? I like that. This for inputs coming down can face opposite directions. You're saying like this? Yes. Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, I like that. I think that's what we did that with our steel, right? It worked out pretty nice. Okay. So this is where the problem arises. I guess with assemblers, we can just kind of have it all going one way. Because what I'm thinking of is what's the easiest way that we can make this blueprint and then be able to mirror it so easily. That we can put the same thing and then have them all combine right down the middle. And the only way that I can think of doing that is to make these splitters. Splitters? Yeah. Make those splitters. And then kind of link them together with its mirror. You want a mirror or line build? Mirror. I think. I think, man. I hope. And then this one we can pop out like a little bit. You know, we can just bring it out like a touch. Maybe like that. Why not, dude? And then that needs to be a splitter. Same thing, we can feed it from this side. Ooh, and then that's gonna be kind of weird once we mirror it as well. Whatever. Let's see how that works. Here, so these can be connected. Those can be connected. That's not too bad. Oh, but now... Ooh, wait a minute. We might have to line build these. Right? Because now we have two different inputs that we have to... Or outputs that we have to care about. Oh, man. Why can't it just be simple, man? Nah, that's kind of why we like this game, right? Alright, so if we go like this... Right? The second splitter in line with the first one, but at a lower height. Oh, that's smart. Simple equals boring. Very fair. Very fair. Okay, I think this is good enough for now. Let's see. So we can, and then we'll test it out, right? Everything's hooked up. So that looks all well and good. Let's save it. This is gonna be 3 assemblers. Trademark. 3 assemblers. This is going to be... That's an assembler. How about that? I don't know. We'll make it like that color. Say blueprint. Now let's... well, we don't need to clear it yet. But now... This is what I've been meaning, right? Let's go into here, blueprints, 3 assemblers, trademark. Kind of want to, ooh, feed in one direction down the row, and you do a U-turn with the belt and feed down the other way without having to mirror. Right, but I kind of want a mirror, is like the problem. You know what I mean? Alright, so if we do this, right? And then we mirror it. Think like this. Does this mess us up at all? Let's see. Hypothetically, we're coming down this way. We feed right into you. I think we might need to plan on these being in a line. I think so. That's just not gonna work, man, because it's gonna come all the way down and then come right here. But then if we ever want to expand, we're gonna have to come here, remove this, and then keep building it out. That's not that big of a deal. Not really. What does kind of suck is this one being right there. That's not that bad. Okay, hold on. This is actually kind of nice. So like that would work. It would operate. And then all of these are going to get merged over here. And then it's just depending on where we want it to come out of, right? If we want it all to be right here, we would connect that to this one on the back side and then bring it out like this. And then if we wanted it, well, I guess that kind of is, it's kind of how it has to be, right? Now that I think about it. Huh. And then we connect that one. And we connect to this one. Alright, I think it is good enough. Definitely not as clean as the constructors, that's for sure. But it's still kind of nice, dude. And we'll hook these up and then just hook that to the mainframe. That's not bad. We'll take that. Ooh, what is gonna be weird though? I think are these poles. No, never mind. I think we're okay. Alright. That's not bad. Let's change to blueprint mode. Remove that entire blueprint. Dude, that's crazy. That's so nice, dude. Alright. Take these belts. Take them out of my sight. And now let's think, right? We got assemblers. We got constructors. What more do we have, man? I don't think we really need a manufacturer one right now. You could lay down a row of half foundations, then attach blueprints to get a little more room between them. Oh. I like that. So you're saying have a floor, put a half foundation, then place the blueprint, then delete the half foundation? I mean, what's nice though too is we don't really need to get down here very much as well. It's odd. Okay, so we have a sick smelter. We got a sick constructor, a sick assembler. We need to make a packager at some point. We should probably make the refineries too. Let's take a look at our blueprints. Got that bridge, dude. Handrails so you do not fall. Did I do that? Dude, what? Oh, I did make that. I'm like, what? I didn't remember that one. Alright, the founder. How are we looking? I already hate it. It's gotta go, dude. It's gotta go. It's gotta go up. Yep, I already don't like it, man. We gotta redo that one, but that's fine. That's kind of easy. Wait, didn't we get a MAM research? Am I going crazy? Or did we finish a MAM? Oh! Alright, we got charcoal. Fine concrete. Interesting. It goes from 15 a minute to 25 a minute. That's kind of nice. Except it uses 4 times the amount of limestone. Math doesn't really work out there. Rigor mortar, we know that we don't really care. Or not even that. We were told it is bad. Stay away. I don't really care about charcoal. I think this is a skip, chat. I think this is a little skip, dude. Skip. Reroll. Alt F4, dude. Oh, battery butterfly said skip too. Now you know it's really bad, dude. Yo! The hydrate, thank you. Trying to make me survive, I appreciate it. Oh, I forgot, we have, we got the gas, don't we? We didn't make another hard drive go, hold on. It's kind of important. Yo, we did get, pure Caterium, though, that's kind of nice. It's in the MAM. Scan hard drive, thank you. Oh. It took out where the floor meets the stutter in the feed. Oh no. In which feed? That's no good. Like my camera feed might be your end. Thunderstorms here. Yo, thunderstorms here too, brother. Uh-oh. Because I am... Good shout, though, because as you are well aware, very concerned about the new setup, dude. Very concerned. Alright, what's going on here, man? Can we get rid of something? How did this happen? Alright. Just thought it was me? Oh... Maybe not the computers. That might be not smart. Let's leave those right there for now. Save? That's probably smart. That's probably smart, dude. Alright. Let's pick these up. Really? You tell me? Alright, whatever. We're throwing them away, dude. Alright, so, whoa, hold on. Keep going. And we're gonna make a better foundry blueprint. Because I want to be able to have everything already hooked up. You know, that's the biggest time save, I think. That is definitely the biggest time save. Dude, these aren't the same size. Are they? Oh, yeah, they are. Huh. Wait, kind of. They're not as long, though? No, they're not as long. Yo. You know what that means? We need to actually do some stuff. Hold on. Hold on. Wheels are turning. Alright. All this? Get out of here, dude. We might need you. All of these fancy things. Just stay. Looks like a weird looking snowman. Aw, dude, look at that. What? Does anyone know if a crate could get stuck in a blueprint? Yo, now you're talking, dude. I hope so. Can you imagine, dude? Why are there 87 crates in your world? Well, I just didn't want to go get it that one time when I was making the blueprint. Now look at you. Okay, so we're gonna pop one more row down like this. All right, all right. Then let's get a foundry. Something like so. You know, do we want it? Do we want it to come up top or down below? Autosave? Oh, that's no good. Yeah, that's not what an autosave is, man. That's normally what happens when the game crashes. Oh, are we good? No, I don't think we're good. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. This is weird. Normally it doesn't freeze. Normally it literally just gives up. Yeah, it's not even in the task manager anymore. That's interesting. I don't think that is normal. Wow, that's really not good. I think I just can't, I just ended the task in Task Manager and nothing happened. All right. Well, YouTube, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Oh man, the timing, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect.